All I gave the AI was a Shopify product link. It came back with 10 ads I could run today. No footage, no studio, no creator on a call sheet. The ad you're looking at right now, I didn't film a single second of it. I pasted one Shopify URL, told the agent what I wanted, and it handled the rest. The script, the voice, the visuals, the music. A year ago, this was a 3-week project and a few $1,000s. Now it's a chat box in a couple of minutes. What's going on, everyone? My name's Eric, and on this channel, we figure out how to make ads that convert using AI without the big production budget. The problem: most Shopify stores leave money on the table on creative volume, not the product. The brands winning right now aren't running one perfect ad. They're running 10 hooks at once and letting the platform find the winner. The old way costs weeks and thousands per shoot, so most stores just test 1 or 2 creatives and stop. That's what we're fixing here today. All right, I'm gonna hop inside Creatify and open up the agent. For this demo, I'm gonna use the Goalie apple cider vinegar gummies, big category product that everyone knows. I just paste the link and tell it what I want in plain English. I'll just say something like, make me a set of short form video ads for these apple cider vinegar gummies focused on the health benefits in a UGC style for TikTok and Reels. Next, I need to go ahead and select the product. So we'll go ahead and just click product right here. And if you don't have your product loaded already, you can go ahead and do so right here. So what we'll go ahead and do, we'll grab the URL. I'll go ahead and copy that, come back here, and we'll paste this in and click this little arrow. So from here, it's gonna go ahead and pull the product name, give it a category, a product description, and then here you can go ahead and fill out some unique selling points. I'm gonna go ahead and leave those blank and let the AI sort of do its thing here. And then we can see it went ahead and pulled all of these assets as well. So let's go ahead and click on create product, and we'll go ahead and find it here and go ahead and use that. Now, one more thing before we go ahead and send this off to get started. Right here next to where the product is, you can see this little light button right here. So if I go ahead and click on that, I can either choose light, which is optimized for speed, or I can choose pro, which is higher quality and more detail. Let's go ahead and use the pro model for now, and we'll go ahead and send this off. That's the whole brief. No uploaded images, no written script. The agent pulls everything from the product page. So before I let it run, there's a habit that saves you real money on credits. Then I'll show you how to read the set that comes back and pick the one to test first. And there's one more thing before the end, the single free step that most people skip that decides whether the agent gives you high converting ads or junk. It takes about 10 minutes and almost nobody does it. Okay, so I went ahead and sent this off, and now it's gonna go ahead and just walk us through this little questionnaire. So as you can see right here, we're on question 1 of 4. So it says you asked for a set of UGC ads. How many distinct ads should I produce? It's saying 3 ads, 2 ads, or 4 ads. Let's do 3 ads because that's what it's saying is recommended. We'll go to next. Who's the primary target for these ads? Women, 25 to 40 wellness, Gen Z 18 to 26, broad health circus. Let's go women 25 to 40 and we'll click next. How long should each ad run? We'll go with their recommended. What's the primary goal of the campaign? And we'll say conversion and sales, but could be awareness or could be both. We'll go conversion and sales and click submit. All right, so it looks like the AI has finished putting together our videos. So let's go ahead and take a look at them.
Real talk, I used to choke down apple cider vinegar shots every single morning because everyone swears by them for gut health. The taste? Absolutely revolting.
Okay, so it looks pretty good. She looks, kind of intense, a little panicked. So that's kind of, pulling me in. I wish this text was a little bit bigger here. But other than that, this one is pretty good. Let's go ahead and look at the second option here. We'll go ahead and mute it before we play.
I'm a mom of 2, and by 3 p.m., I was completely wiped, like falling asleep at my desk, wiped. I honestly thought that was just my life now. Goal's apple cider vinegar gummies have B12 that turns food into real energy. 2 every morning, and my afternoon slump is gone. Grab them at gola.com.
My 3 p.m. crash is gone. That was a good thing. Again, I wish that was just a little bit bigger, but I do like the captions and, looking at the look how real this is. Like you can even see the little camera shake of her holding the phone.
If you're always bloated and your gut just feels off, this is your sign. I added one tiny thing to my morning routine, and honestly, everything changed. Goalie apple cider vinegar gummies, bright smile, real ACV for digestion plus B12 and antioxidants. Vegan, delicious, and my gut has never felt better. Get yours on Goalie.com.
Now, so far, I think always bloated, read this, other than the read this part, the always bloated, I like that as a hook. I think that one would work really well. So this is probably the one that I would go with. So auto mode is powerful, which means it can move fast and use a lot of credits without guardrails. A vague prompt with no limit can burn a few hundred credits in one chat. So before it generates, just type this one line. Tell me how many credits this will use before you generate. It tells me the cost up front. Now I'm in control. Go or scale it back. Make that one line a habit and you'll never get a surprise. Watch it work. Now first, it researches. It reads the Goalie page, pulls the name, description, images, and selling points, and looks at how similar products advertise. Then it writes. And this is the part that people sleep on. It doesn't give me one script, it gives me a handful, each testing a different angle. One opens on a pain point, like feeling bloated and sluggish. One leads with social proof. One goes straight at curiosity. Which one do I test first? A full set of finished ads from one link. See how these aren't the same video with the same words swapped? Different opening lines, different pacing, different vibe. You want range because you don't know which angle your audience responds to until you put it in front of them. So which do I run? I don't pick my favorite. My taste doesn't pay the bills. I watch the first 3 seconds of each one with the sound off because that's how most people first see it on mute scrolling. If the opening shot and on-screen text make me want to keep watching with no audio, then that's a strong sign. Then I turn the sound on and ask one question. Does the hook match the way my actual customer thinks? For Goalie, that's something like, I wanted apple cider vinegar without choking down a shot of the actual stuff. If the ad opens on the real reason people buy, then that's my front runner. Then I take my top 2 or 3, group them into the same ad set on Meta or TikTok, and let the platform spend a little finding the winner. When one starts to win, I come back and ask the agent for 5 more just like it. That's how you build a creative engine instead of a one-off ad. What this replaces. The old way was a scriptwriter, a creator, shipped samples, a filming day, an editor, and a week or 2 of waiting. A few $1,000s and most of a month for a small batch. What we just did took a link, 1 sentence, in a few minutes, and we walked away with a whole set to test. So remember the free step that most people skip? Here it is. The agent is only as good as the page you feed it. Strong page in, strong ads out. So before you ever paste your link, spend 10 minutes tightening 4 things on your product page. Lead with clear images that show the product actually being used, not just on a white background. Write a benefit first description. Tell people what changes for them, not just what's in the box. Make your reviews visible. Social proof is the first thing the agent reaches for. Spell out your key selling points in plain language. That's the raw material that every hook is built from. Do that first, then let the agent do the heavy lifting. So we started with a plain product page and a single link and ended with a full set of ads ready to run, built in the time it takes to grab a coffee. The brands that win on Shopify in 2026 aren't the ones with the biggest budget. They're the ones who test the most ideas the fastest. So we opened up the agent, pasted the product link with one plain English brief, asked for the credit cost before generating, let it build a full set, and then picked the strongest hooks to test first. We've got the link to Creatify down in the description before. If this one helped, make sure to give it a like and subscribe. But other than that, we'll see you here in the next video.